Most Chevrolet Silverado owners think if their truck starts burning oil or shifting rough, it is just age and mileage catching up with them. Most of the time, that is not the problem at all. Last month, a guy brought a 2021 Silverado into an independent shop with under 40,000 miles on it. The truck looked practically new. Clean body, full interior, every option on it. A misfire code on cylinder 4 and a faint ticking noise on cold starts led the technician straight to a dynamic fuel management lifter with a completely sheared locking pin. The engine valve had dropped directly into the combustion chamber, cracked the piston head, and scored the cylinder wall beyond repair. Out of pocket, outside of warranty, between $7,000 and $10,000 for a complete engine swap on a truck with less than 40,000 miles. Here is the real problem. He bought the wrong year. There are 5 Silverado model years built so well, they will run reliably past 200,000 miles with basic maintenance. And there are 4 model years so compromised by catastrophic valvetrain failures, transmission destruction, and manufacturing defects that buying one used could financially ruin you. Number 1 on the worst list has been called the most troublesome model year in the entire history of the Silverado platform, and the 3 separate failure modes it carries will genuinely shock you. We will start with the 5 best Chevrolet Silverado years to own. Number 5, 2020. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2020 Silverado represents the stabilized maturation phase of the 4th generation T1XX platform, while the 2019 launch year was compromised by diagnostic software bugs and minor cabin complaints. The 2020 version benefited from revised quality control across the entire assembly line. Engine options include the Ecotec 3 5.3-liter V8 with dynamic fuel management, or the highly reliable 3-liter Duramax inline-6 turbo diesel, delivering strong torque output for towing. Both mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission that maintains stable gear progressions under heavy loads. Used prices in Southern California typically run between $24,500 for base work truck packages and reach $38,900 for fully optioned RST and high country models. The key mechanical advantage is the high-tensile mixed material chassis that dropped up to 450 pounds compared to the K2XX generation and enabled a maximum towing threshold of 13,400 pounds. With minor systemic problems largely confined to software instability within the infotainment system, not the powertrain. To maintain these modern powertrains, oil changes with full synthetic Dexos 1 Gen 2 0W20 oil must be conducted every 7,500 miles and on 4-wheel drive configurations. Flushing the transfer case fluid with Mobil 1 synthetic ATF every 50,000 miles prevents internal clutch plate binding. Before we get to the next one, if you want a more in-depth look into how your pickup truck can last 200,000, 300,000, or even 500,000 miles, this ebook reveals the exact maintenance secrets and brand-specific strategies that every smart pickup truck owner should know. If you want to check it out, the link is down in the description below. Number 4, 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Often cited by fleet managers as the peak design year of the GMT900 platform, the 2012 model represents the point where General Motors addressed the excessive oil burning and premature active fuel management failure issues that compromised earlier second-generation models. The primary mechanical configuration is the iron block 5.3-liter Vortec V8, paired with the highly serviceable Hydra-Matic 6L 86-speed automatic transmission. Alternatively, the heavy-duty 6.2-liter Vortec V8 offers robust power output mated to the same 6-speed automatic. Typical pricing in California starts around $8,500 for work configurations and climbs to $18,000 for pristine LTZ 4-wheel drive trims, with standard LTZ inclusions covering leather upholstery, Bose premium audio, and an integrated electronic trailer brake controller. The mechanical advantage of this truck lies in its high durability ratings. securing a JD Power quality score of 86 out of 100, with minor flaws limited to premature wear of the steering intermediate shaft, producing an audible clicking sound that does not pose a structural safety hazard. Installing a plug-and-play AFM disabler running $100 to $300 prevents the mechanical transition to four-cylinder operation and preserves the lifters, while routine front brake pad and rotor replacement averages $350 to $500. Number 3. 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. As the final evolutionary year of the K2XX platform, the 2018 Silverado stands as a highly refined modern light-duty truck, completely free of the electrical, transmission, and structural anomalies of the early direct injection years. The baseline configuration is the Ecotec 3 4.3-liter V6 or the highly versatile Ecotec 3 5.3-liter V8, paired with either a Hydra-matic 6-speed or an optional 8-speed automatic on high-tier LTZ and high-country configurations, with used prices in the Los Angeles basin running between $15,900 and $28,900 for clean LT trims under 100,000 miles. The 2018 is highly praised for its refined cabin ceiling, exceptionally low interior decibel ratings, and a towing capacity of 12,500 pounds. A known operational problem is clunky shift quality on the 8-speed automatic under rapid temperature changes. The essential fix is replacing the factory transmission thermal bypass valve with the updated lower temperature GM unit at $150 to $250. And transmission fluid replacement should be completed every 50,000 miles at around $220 to keep the gearbox operating within safe parameters. Number 2. 2006 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2006 model represents the peak of the GMT900 platform, often regarded by mechanics as an exceptionally durable light-duty truck due to its mechanical simplicity and structural resilience. The core engine is the 5.3-liter Vortec V8 paired with the highly reliable Hydra-matic 4 L60E 4-speed automatic transmission, a combination so proven that independent mechanics consistently recommend it as one of the easiest and most cost-effective drivetrains to maintain in the used truck market. Used models in California start at $5,500 for daily drivers and rise to $13,500 for rust-free, low-mileage LT 3 crew cabs. The main advantage of the 2006 engine is the complete absence of active fuel management systems, eliminating the complex, failure-prone, collapsible lifter mechanisms that have plagued every Silverado generation since. Known issues are limited to standard wear items like cracked vacuum hoses and a dirty throttle body, both inexpensive fixes, with oil changes every 5,000 miles at around $60 and transmission fluid services every 30,000 miles at around $130, keeping this truck running strong. Number 1. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For buyers prioritizing extreme mechanical durability and simplicity above everything else, the 1998 Silverado stands as the most reliable pickup truck General Motors has ever produced, registering under 350 lifetime complaints with the NHTSA, an extraordinary number for a vehicle of this age and production volume. The engine is the highly durable 5.7-liter Vortec V8 through a simple low-pressure port fuel injection system, paired with either the NV3500 5-speed manual or the Hydra-matic 4L 60E 4-speed automatic, with rust-free Southern California examples commanding stable prices between $4,000 and $10,000. The primary advantage is its minimal electronic architecture, completely avoiding computerized multiplex body networks, direct injection fuel pumps, and cylinder deactivation systems that have caused billions of dollars in warranty claims on modern platforms. A known issue is the cracking of the factory plastic distributor cap due to thermal cycles causing cold start misfires. Replace it with a brass terminal aftermarket unit for around $80 and the problem is permanently solved. Use conventional engine oil every 3,000 miles at around $45 and flush the cooling system with Dex Cool every 5 years at around $100, and this truck will run indefinitely. Now let's talk about the 4 model years you need to stay completely away from. These are not trucks with minor inconveniences or quirks you can manage with a simple fix. These are trucks with documented histories of valve train destruction, transmission seizure, pandemic-era manufacturing defects, and catastrophic engine failures that have cost owners thousands, sometimes tens of thousands, of dollars in repairs. Knowing these 4 years before you walk onto a used lot could save you from one of the most expensive mistakes you will ever make. Number 4. 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2008 Silverado represents a highly problematic year of the GMT900 platform, largely due to the early implementation of active fuel management, a system not yet refined enough for real-world durability demands. The primary engine affected is the 5.3-liter Vortec V8 with AFM, and the failure mechanism is severe oil consumption driven by a fundamental design flaw in the AFM oil pressure relief valve, which sprays oil mist onto the cylinder walls when deactivating cylinders 4, 6, and 7. That excess oil bypasses the piston rings, undergoes partial combustion, and creates thick carbon deposits that physically lock the rings in place, causing the engine to burn over a quart of oil every 1,000 miles. Used prices in California range from $4,800 for high-mileage work trucks up to $11,900 for visually clean LTZ models. Numbers that look reasonable until you factor in a complete engine teardown to replace the pistons and rings, costing between $2,700 and $4,200. To prolong engine life if failure has not yet occurred, disable the AFM system electronically for around $250 and perform oil flushes with high detergent additives every 3,000 miles to dissolve carbon deposits. Do not let the clean exterior fool you on a 2008. Pull the oil cap and look for sludge before you ever consider buying one. Number 3. 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. While representing an incremental improvement over the volatile 2014 platform, the 2015 model remains deeply problematic due to systemic electrical, fuel delivery, and drivetrain faults documented across thousands of owner complaints. The most common pairing is the Ecotec 3 5.3-liter V8 with the 6L86 speed automatic, with used models in California trading between $8,000 and $17,500, a price range that looks attractive until you understand what is underneath. The 2015 features over 23 separate safety recalls and nearly 900 documented NHTSA consumer complaints, the primary systemic safety concern being an unexpected shift of the electronic transfer case into neutral while driving, causing an immediate loss of power to the wheels and presenting a severe collision hazard. The internal fuel level sensor also frequently fails, causing wildly inaccurate gauge readings and fuel tank venting errors that prevent the tank from accepting fuel, a repair requiring the fuel tank to be dropped at $1,200 to $1,500. Verify that all 23 safety recalls, specifically the transfer case software patch, have been performed by a certified dealer before you consider buying a 2015. Number 2. 2021 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The 2021 Silverado represents one of the most financially dangerous modern used truck purchases available today, severely impacted by pandemic-era supply chain disruptions and manufacturing compromises that resulted in engines built with critical metallurgical anomalies that no amount of maintenance can correct. The primarily affected engines are the 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter Ecotec, 3 V8 models equipped with dynamic fuel management, with used models commanding high prices in Los Angeles between $21,000 and $36,000, meaning buyers are paying premium money for a truck with a documented catastrophic failure rate. The primary failure mechanism is DFM valve train collapse. Valve springs snap and DFM lifter locking pins shear off completely under low mileages, frequently under 40,000 miles, dropping the engine valve directly into the combustion chamber and destroying the piston head and cylinder wall beyond repair. Independent workshops noted failure rates of over 50% in serviced fleets during this manufacturing run, with complete engine replacements running $9,000 to $14,000 out of pocket, and dealerships that replace only the single failed lifter bank under warranty leave the opposite bank highly prone to identical failure. The only viable preventative measure is a full mechanical DFM delete involving solid lifters, non-DFM lifter guides, a standard camshaft profile, and an ECM flash, running $3,500 to $5,000. Number 1. 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The introductory year of the K2XX platform is documented as the most troublesome model year in the entire history of the Silverado platform. Widespread component design failures resulted in thousands of consumer complaints, and this truck carries 3 distinct catastrophic failure modes, any one of which can financially devastate an owner. The baseline affected engine is the Ecotec 35.3-liter V8 mated to the Hydra-Matic 6 L 86-speed automatic, with used models in Southern California listed between $11,000 and $19,500, a depreciated price that is not a deal, but the market telling you something is wrong. The first failure mode is the 6L80 torque converter's thin factory lockup clutch lining, which frequently disintegrates and sends metallic debris through the valve body, leading to complete transmission failure, typically between 120,000 and 135,000 miles, at a replacement cost of $4,500 to $6,500. The second failure mode is the air conditioning condenser cracking at the structural welds and leaking refrigerant completely, averaging $1,200 to $1,800 to repair. The third is the electric power steering blacking out without warning while driving, presenting an immediate handling hazard, and the catalytic converters burning out prematurely after just 180,000 miles at up to $3,000 to replace. Preventive maintenance requires an updated transmission thermal bypass valve at $150 and a high-efficiency auxiliary transmission cooler. But understand these are damage limitation measures on a truck compromised from the factory floor. Here is the bottom line. The Chevrolet Silverado has produced some genuinely outstanding trucks, and the 1998 stands above everything else on this list as the most mechanically simple, most reliable Silverado General Motors has ever built. The 2006 and 2012 are proven workhorses that reward basic maintenance with decades of service. The 2018 and 2020 round out the best list as the most refined modern options with the early bugs worked out. But the 2014, 2021, 2015, and 2008 have documented histories of failures that can cost you thousands. Or, in the case of the 2021 and 2014, potentially more than the truck is worth in a single repair event. Run the VIN on any used Silverado, verify every open recall has been completed, do a cold start diagnostic, and pull the oil cap before you hand over any money. Do your homework, and the right Silverado will serve you for a very long time. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe. We will see you on the next one.